This production line is the aluminum bauxite crushing production line produced by our company. The bauxite powder produced is mainly used for casting material of the steelmaking plant furnace. The main equipment of this production line is located in the underground. The workshop is standardized with low noise and less dust. The raw ore is transported to the jaw crusher by vibrating feeders and broken the large material into 8 to 10 cm of the middle material. Delivered to the fine crusher by a high-angle belt conveyor and crushing the ore into 3 to 4 centimeters. Then transported to the VSI impact sand maker through high-angle belt conveyor. The finished products are sent to the trommel screen for screening by the hoist, and the large material sieved will back for secondary crushing. The hoist transported finished products to 2 linear screen and sold out 8 mm to 10 mm finished products and 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm fine sand.
Hainan Yuhong Heavy Machinery Company, Yuhong Group.